Visualize a printer. It will take ink, paper, and print your image dimension. Now visualize a 3D. It will take your image, compute it, make a 3D object of it, and print it using plastics as ink. Now you can make this printer 20-30 times bigger, and this is used in construction to build houses. Now you may be wondering, instead of making this really big, can we actually make it really small? And the answer is yes. This is called 3D bioprinting. So what is 3D bioprinting? This technology is used to take cells to print living tissues or organs. And of course, you won't be applying the cells just like that like there. You will be using them in a special ink called a bioink, which is composed of polymers or gels that will contain all the essential reactive and reagents and nutriments to keep the cells surviving, happy, and healthy. So, like last video, this was inspired by me reading about this technology, and I invite you to the links below. One which will be a press release, and the other one a scientific review about this. So, of course, like the new technologies that we are discussing in this channel, there will be a lot of regulation to overcome before we see this technology being applied in research, in clinical studies, or even in real clinical aspect, such as organ transplantation or tissue replacement, and so on. So again, if you like the concept of this video, and if you want to support me and this channel, consider subscribing and a thumbs up, of course, and see you the next one. Hey, maybe you can type in the comment which idea you want me to discuss.